Upgrading your kitchen isn't just about buying new appliances, it's about understanding what you're actually getting in terms of performance, capacity, and long-term reliability. At Lowe's, a lot of the best value isn't found in single items, but in full appliance packages that are designed to work together right out of the box. These bundled kitchen suites combine high-capacity refrigerators, precision electric and gas ranges, energy-efficient dishwashers, and advanced microwaves into one coordinated setup. From frost-free cooling systems and convection cooking technology to humidity-controlled storage and sensor-based wash cycles, these packages are built for efficiency, convenience, and modern kitchen performance. Number 1. Whirlpool 24.5 cubic foot 4-door French door refrigerator and 30-inch freestanding electric range 4-piece stainless steel suite. This Whirlpool suite centers around a 24.5 cubic foot French door refrigerator featuring adjustable tempered glass shelving, dual humidity controlled crispers, and a frost-free cooling system designed to maintain consistent internal temperatures. The 4-door layout improves organization and reduces cold air loss, while the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish helps maintain a clean exterior with minimal maintenance. The matching 30-inch electric range includes 5 radiant burners with a high output element reaching up to 3,000 watts, paired with a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven that circulates heat evenly for faster, more consistent baking. The included over-the-range microwave uses sensor cooking technology to automatically adjust time and power levels, while the dishwasher features adaptive wash cycles that optimize water usage and cleaning intensity based on load size. Number 2. GE Pro Approved Stainless Steel Kitchen Suite. The GE Pro Approved Suite includes a 21.9 cubic foot top freezer refrigerator with spill-proof glass shelves, LED lighting, and adjustable storage bins designed for flexible organization. The freestanding electric range features 4 radiant burners plus an oval 2,500-watt element for larger cookware, supported by a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven with fan-assisted heat circulation for more uniform cooking results. The integrated dishwasher uses AutoSense technology to automatically adjust cycle length, temperature, and water usage based on soil levels, while the over-the-range microwave delivers 1,100 watts of power with built-in sensor cooking for consistent reheating and defrosting. Stainless steel construction across all appliances provides a unified finish while resisting fingerprints and wear from daily use. Number 3. Samsung French Door 4-piece Kitchen Suite. This Samsung Kitchen Suite features a 31.5 cubic foot French door refrigerator with a dual ice maker system, adjustable shelving, and high-capacity storage designed for large households. The 6.3 cubic foot electric range includes a smooth glass cooktop with multiple radiant burners and a convection oven system for even heat distribution during baking and roasting. The 1.6 cubic foot over-the-range microwave includes sensor cooking technology for automated power adjustment, while the 24-inch dishwasher operates at a low 53 decibel rating for quieter cleaning cycles. Smart connectivity features allow remote monitoring and control, while fingerprint-resistant stainless steel surfaces help maintain a clean, modern appearance with minimal upkeep. Number 4. Whirlpool 19.2 cubic foot counter-depth side-by-side refrigerator and slide-in gas range suite. This Whirlpool counter-depth suite includes a 19.2 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator designed to sit flush with cabinetry for a built-in appearance. It features adjustable shelving, door storage for gallon-sized containers, and an integrated ice and water dispenser system for daily convenience. The 30-inch slide-in gas range includes 5 burners with varying BTU outputs for precision cooking control, along with a 5.0 cubic foot convection oven that ensures even heat distribution. The suite also includes a matching microwave and dishwasher, both designed to integrate seamlessly into the cabinetry layout while maintaining consistent stainless steel styling across the entire kitchen setup. Number 5. Midea 18.1 cubic foot garage-ready kitchen appliance package. This Midea package is built for flexibility, featuring an 18.1 cubic foot garage-ready refrigerator engineered to maintain stable cooling in varying temperature environments. Inside, you'll find tempered glass shelving, humidity-controlled crispers, and frost-free operation designed for low-maintenance performance. The 30-inch electric range includes 4 radiant burners with outputs reaching up to 2,900 watts and a 4.7 cubic foot convection oven for even baking and roasting. The 24-inch dishwasher incorporates soil sensors, multiple wash zones, and Energy Star efficiency settings to reduce water and power usage while maintaining effective cleaning performance. Number 6. Whirlpool 24.6 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator and electric range suite. This Whirlpool suite features a 24.6 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator with dual humidity controlled crispers, adjustable shelving, and a frost-free freezer system for consistent temperature control. The layout allows easy access to both fresh and frozen sections while maximizing storage efficiency. The 30-inch electric range range includes 5 radiant burners, including a high-power 3,000-watt element paired with a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven for even baking performance. The included microwave and dishwasher both feature sensor-based operation systems that adjust automatically based on load size and usage conditions. Number 7. GE French Door 27 cubic foot refrigerator and slide-in electric range suite. This GE suite includes a 27 cubic foot French door refrigerator with a door-and-door storage system, adjustable shelving, humidity-controlled crispers, and high-efficiency LED lighting for full interior visibility. Its large-capacity design is optimized for families and high-volume food storage needs. The 30-inch slide-in electric range includes 5 radiant burners with a 3,200-watt high-performance element and a 5.4 cubic foot convection oven featuring European-style heat circulation for consistent baking results. Fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finishes and precision digital controls ensure both durability and ease of use. These Lowe's kitchen appliance packages show how much value you can unlock when multiple high-performance appliances are bundled together into one coordinated system. From advanced cooling technology and convection cooking to smart cleaning systems and energy-efficient design, each suite is built to deliver long-term performance and modern convenience. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more appliance deep dives, and drop a comment below telling us which kitchen package stood out the most. Check the links in the description for full specs, pricing, and availability. And don't miss the chance to upgrade your kitchen with one of these coordinated appliance deals while they're still available.